Hello everyone and welcome! For the past few weeks, I've been promising you guys that I would review the biggest jump starter that I could find, and here it is. Today we'll be looking at this compact and affordable jump starter from GooLoo. This unit has more power than any other jump starter that I've tested so far. This is their Titan series of jump starters, and is also the largest jump starter that GooLoo makes. This jump starter promises to be able to jump start just about any vehicle out there, gas or diesel. Will it live up to what it claims? Let's find out. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you so you can see what we're talking about. And let's open this puppy up and see what we got this time. Alright, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the GP4000 Titan series jump starter from GooLoo, available on their website, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this unit retails for $169.99, but I do have some discount codes in the description below that you can take advantage of and save yourself some money. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, let's see. You start off with the owner's manual, which tells you everything about how to maintain the unit, the warranty, how to charge it up and use it, all that kind of good stuff. So I suggest you read through this. Then you get the unit itself, you get the jumper cables, you get a regular USB-A charger, you get a USB-C to USB-C charger, you get the brick to charge it up, you get a 12-volt lighter adapter to go with it, and you get a nice hard case to keep everything in. And this is definitely an improvement over the previous GooLoo jump starter that I did a few months back. You can go check out that video if you want a less powerful and less expensive jump starter. But if you want something better, there's a lot of improvements in this unit that the other one didn't have. First of all, it comes in a hard case. The other one came in a soft case. This one is a nice hard case that keeps everything well organized and well protected inside. Secondly, this one does not charge with a proprietary charger. It charges up with a USB-C charger, so you don't need to have a special charger to charge it up. They listened to what you guys said. Some of you commented on the previous one that it should have a USB-C charger, and this one does. So that's a definite improvement right there. Now this unit comes with a 2-year warranty, and with 4,000 peak amp of just steady power, it should be able to jumpstart a 10-liter gas engine or pretty much all diesels out there. This unit comes in either the beautiful yellow that you see right here or in an orange color, so you can pick what you like, yellow or orange. The operating temperature on this unit is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So regardless of whether you're in the deepest winter or hottest summer, this unit should work for you just fine. It has an extended standby time of 3 to 6 months per charge. So you can charge it up, put it in the trunk of your car and forget about it for about 6 months without having to recharge it. It also has a 26,800 milliamp battery bank. So you can use this for charging up your drones, your cell phones, laptop, tablets, whatever you want that can be charged with a USB-C or USB-A charger. And as far as the connections go, it has right here on the side, you can see 2 standard USB-A chargers, a regular USB-A and a quick charger, the blue one. And then right here you have your USB-C charger, which is for in or out. So you can use that for charging the unit or for putting power out to whatever else you need. It also has a really fancy flashlight right there, which you use pressing this button on the side. This button on the side shows the LED telling you how fully charged up it is. You see right there it has 3 bars, and you press it again and hold it and the flashlight comes on. Now the flashlight, as you can see, is very convenient to have if you're broken down on the side of the road, need to look inside the engine bay, or it's nighttime and you need it to shine up the area you're working on, anything like that. It has a lot of power to shine up the area, or it also has strobe and SOS. So if you're broken down on the side of the road, you can signal for help. Now the 2 USB-A outputs basically put out a 5-volt 2.1 amp, or the quick charger is 15 watts. The USB-C in or out can also produce 5 volts at 2.4 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. So you have a nice range of power that you can use to charge up almost any device out there. It also has a DC output of 15 volts 10 amp right on the side right here that you can use to hook up the lighter adapter so you can charge up anything that works with a lighter connection. Now the recharges on this is an extended 1,000 times that you can recharge it. So that's a lot compared to most regular lithium-ion batteries. And on the back side over here, right under this little door, is where you hook up your jump starter. So that's how you power that up right there, nicely protected. Again, that is goof-proof. This connector only goes in one way, as you can see by looking at the connection there. There's no way to goof that up. You can only plug it in one way. And as far as making mistakes when you're doing your jump starting or anything, you really don't need to worry, because this unit has a lot of protections built in. It has short circuit protection, overload protection, backflow protection, overcharging protection, over discharging protection, overheating, and reverse polarity protection. So pretty much everything, you're covered. The unit protects itself and it protects your vehicle from any possible damage. So let me get this baby fully charged up and we'll do some jump starting and see how it performs. Okay guys, I'm going to jump start my vehicle in just a moment, but I'm showing you right here that to make it more interesting this time, I'm going to have it jump start the vehicle with the lights and the fog lights on. As you can see, my headlights are on and my fog lights are on. So I'm going to leave those on as I do the jump start and see if this puppy has the power to jump start it with such a drain going on. So let's see what it can do. Alright guys, so here we are in the engine bay of my truck. This is a 318 Dodge Magnum motor, so it's a 5.2 liter, basically V8. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump start it right now and see how it performs. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing I've done before. This battery is an old battery. You can see right there, it's from September of 2012. I'm shooting this in October 2021. So that's a 9-year-old battery right there. It basically is giving me trouble. It is not holding a charge, even though I did fix it for a little while with a desaltifier that I used a little while ago, but it's back to giving me trouble again. This battery is on its way out. It will not hold a charge. It will not start this car. I've showed you all this in previous videos. I'm not going to go through all that right now. Again, that's boring. You've already seen it if you watched my videos before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the jump starter, and as you can see right there, I fully charged it. You can see it has all 4 bars, so it is fully charged up. I am going to jump start it with this big jump starter, the biggest one I've done so far. And to make it more interesting, like I showed you a moment ago, I have the headlights and the fog lights turned on. Let me move this over. I'll show you right now. You can see right there, I have the headlights turned on, and pan back over here. And now I'm going to hook it up and do the jump start and see if it can do it with a weak battery that does not hold a complete charge and the headlights and fog lights running. So let's test this puppy and see what it can do. Let me get a good grip on this cable first of all. All right, so let's put this guy down right here. And as you can see, let me turn this around. You can see right there, it has a green light, meaning that it's ready to charge. And this also has a boost button right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a boost button right there. And if it gives you trouble and your battery is so far gone that it won't jump start it, you press the boost button down, it gives you extra power so you can really crank it over. So let's see with the regular power what it can do, if it'll do it just fine. So I'm gonna put this right here on the side somewhere. Kind of awkward for me. Let's see, hopefully it'll stay right there, and let me go start it up and see what it can do. Right, there you go. Even with the lights on, it did it. You can see right there, the lights are still on. they are much brighter now than what they were before. So it jump started it with a weak battery and with the headlights and fog lights both running. Alright guys, there you have it, testing and review of the GooLoo GP4000 jump starter, the biggest jump starter that I have tested so far. This unit was able to jumpstart my Dodge Ram truck with a Magnum 318 or 5.2 liter V8. The battery in this truck is old and weak and will not start my truck without having some external help. I've showed this before in previous videos, so I didn't want to waste your time showing the same thing again in this video. I will replace this battery eventually, but right now I'm having too much fun testing all these different jump starters, so I have not replaced it yet. But it goes to prove that this jump starter from GooLoo has the power to jumpstart a 5.2 liter V8 with a weak battery and with a large current draw. That is why I had the headlights and fog lights running at the same time to see what would happen. So no matter how weak your battery is, this GooLoo jump starter should be able to get you back on the road. I think this is probably as big as jump starters get, but if I do find a bigger jump starter, I will test that out for you guys in the future. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.